Hi everybody, welcome to Tuesday Tips at Kimberbell. Sorry about the technical difficulties, but we're back. I'm Trina.
I'm Katie.
And today we're going to talk more about Ginger's Kitchen bench pillow. I don't know if you've seen, but there's some yo-yos on this bench pillow. And today we're going to show you two ways that you can sew those. They go on both the sewing and the embroidery version. So this is an important part of making this pillow pop. So we're going to start out. So hopefully you've been able to purchase the pattern from your local quilt shop. And in the pattern, there's a template. So you'll cut your 4.5 by 4.5 inch squares. And then you'll use the template on your light box.
Do I just print that out?
You can print it out, or it's right on the page.
Oh, cool.
And you could do it right from the page. So what you'll do is you'll take a friction or a water soluble marker, and you're going to trace all the way around that circle with a nice line that you can see. So once you've traced it, you'll take a pair of scissors and you're going to cut that right on the line all the way around to give you a nice smooth circle. Then you're going to take needle and thread and you're going to sew a nice loose stitch a bit in from the edge on that. Make sure you tie a good knot, either this way or with the way Katie's going to show you. You're going to need a good knot because when you're finished, you're going to take that thread and pull, creating a beautiful yo-yo that you can pop right onto your pillow and finish it off.
Cute.
So now Katie's going to show us another way that you can make a yo-yo.
All right, I'm going to show you how to make one of these yo-yos with this clover tool. It's got two pieces. This little orange piece here pops out. What you're going to do, you're going to take your 4.5 by 4.5 inch square, lay it right side down over this lighter yellow piece, and then you're going to line up these little lines right there with those little notches of this orange piece. You're going to lay that, click it in, and then you can notice on this side there's a little space there. That's where your thread is going to go. So you're going to make sure that when you trim around the edge, you're going to want to make sure that it is trimmed into a circle once you place those two pieces together. You're going to fold this edge over here.
And this will give you a nice finished edge when you pull on the yo-yo, as opposed to the sewing version is a raw edge finish.
Yep, so you're going to sew up through and over, and it is going to go around these little edges right there. Kind of looks like a wheel.
The cutouts, yeah.
Yep.
So it just guides you where to stitch then?
Yeah, it just guides you where to stitch, and then once you've stitched all the way around, finish it off with a little knot, and then you, like Trina said, start and finish with a strong knot because you're going to pull this tight to make that finished yo-yo, and you'll kind of fluff that out a little bit and then tie it off like that.
So there's both yo-yos to put on Ginger's Kitchen bench pillow.
Both are super cute.
There's two ways to do it. You can use the template from the pattern that you purchase, or you can use the clover tool. There's more than one way to do things around here. So we just want to say thanks for watching Tuesday Tips. Yo-yo from Kimberbell.